Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to change the size of your page from your design on Canva application. So actually there will be a few ways to do that, but the first way from it's when you have a design kind of like this and you willing to change the size from the page of it. And the way to do that, it's so simple and it doesn't take a lot of time to change. Okay, so now when you already open your design like this and you're willing to change the size from it or the size from the page, the way to do that, you just need to click this button on the up screen from your phone, this one on this top screen. You just need to click it, and you're going to see there will be a plenty of choice of size that you can use or that you can change from it, and there will be a suggested size too that you can use. And if you're willing to custom size, you just have to go to this button, click it, custom size, and go to the units if you want to change it onto centimeter or millimeter or maybe an inch. Yep, and then you just need to type it. For example, I'm going to use this suggestion size, this one. So it's 28 for the width, and for the height it's 50. And then to apply it onto your design, there will be two options. And the first option is copy and resize. So you are going to copy this design, and the size from it will change it, but it's on the duplicated design, so it's not gonna affect this original design. Or if you, and the second way or the second option is resize the design. So by clicking this, the original design from your Canva will be changed or have a different size. As you can see, this is the preview of it, and if you're willing to do that, just click this resize this design and then wait for a moment until this process is complete. And when it's complete, this is the final result of it. As you can see now, the size from it's already changed. And then the second way to do that, it's so simple and very quick. So before you start designing or create a design, you need to click this plus button, and you can go to this custom size, create a custom size, and just type the size that you want. And don't forget, if you want to change the units from it, you can just click this section. And now when you're done, you just need to, for example, let me type it. For the width is 50 and for the height is 20. And you just need to click this create new design, and your design with the actual amount of size will be created. And yep, that's the way to do that. And that's from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.